In this video, I'll show you how to create dashboards in Jira. First, open Jira and log into your Atlassian account. Once you are inside the dashboard area, look at the top menu and click Dashboards. From the drop-down menu, choose Create Dashboard. A setup window will appear where you can enter the details for your new dashboard. Start by giving your dashboard a clear name. For example, you can call it Project Progress Dashboard, Bug Tracking Dashboard, or Team Sprint Overview. A clear name helps you and your team understand what the dashboard is for. Next, add a short description if needed. You can explain what the dashboard tracks, such as sprint progress, open issues, high priority bugs, workload, or project status. After that, choose the sharing settings. You can keep the dashboard private, share it with your team, or make it available to a specific project or group, depending on your Jira permissions. Now click Create. Jira will open your new dashboard, but it may look empty at first. To add useful information, click Add Gadget. Gadgets are small dashboard widgets that display Jira data. For example, you can add gadgets for assigned issues, pie charts, filter results, sprint burndown, created versus resolved issues, or activity streams. Choose a gadget, add it to the dashboard, then configure it. For example, if you add a filter results gadget, select the saved filter you want to display. If you add a pie chart, choose the project or filter and select the field you want to group by, such as status, priority, or assignee. You can drag and drop gadgets to organize the layout. Place the most important information near the top so it is easy to review. When everything is set up, refresh the dashboard and check that the data appears correctly. That's it. You have created a Jira dashboard to track project work, team progress, and important updates in one place. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.